So guys, for information, we're just approaching around 60 miles to the top of descent. So that's usually where we'll perform the arrival briefing. And just for information, our company briefing is a threat-based briefing. And there's certain aspects that we have to complete before performing the actual briefing. So as per company standard, we both have to verify the NOTAMs, check any restrictions that might affect our arrival, check the reference pages in the Jepson application, and our company airport briefing sheet. The last step is to individually check all the waypoints with the altitude crossing restrictions and the speed restrictions. So once that is complete, we then perform the approach briefing. So Mirek, ready for the briefing?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, for the charts, arrival chart expecting it's G3 2 Romeo, chart 10-2 Alpha, effective from the 27th of April. Sorry, 27th of February.
Same on my side.
Roger. The transition level?
70.
70, that's correct. Next, we'll transition into the RMP approach on chart 12-1, effective also from the 27th of February.
Checked.
The final approach course will be 053. The final approach fix is Echo Oscar 507 at 3,800 feet. It's a non-standard 3.5 degree glide path, so a little bit steeper. Minimums 610 feet LNAV VNAV. The missed approach, in case of a missed approach, the initial actions will be, I'll call go around flaps 15, I'll push toga. You'll call positive rate, I'll call gear up. We have toga to LNAV capability in this airplane, so LNAV will engage automatically. And the routing is proceed on track 053, climb into 4,000 feet. At Echo Oscar 521, be reached at 2,000 feet or above, then turn right on track 143, bound to Echo Oscar 522, then proceed direct to Ekrub waypoint and join holding. For the approach itself, since it is a complex approach, we'll plan to be at least flaps 1 and flaps 5 by Echo Oscar 507. We'll go, since it's a steeper glide path, we'll go gear down flaps 15 just after the final approach fix.
Okay.
And then flaps 30 around 5 miles.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Roger. Yeah, it's good.
For the terrain considerations, it is a factor, 6,200 feet in the in all quadrants. So you'll be in terrain display to mitigate that risk. For the weather, no particular risks. Light winds are light. There is an advisory that turbulence may be expected, so we'll be aware of that. But with this wind conditions, I'm not expecting too much of a turbulence on approach. Operational, we'll use the IN feature, so it will be an IN approach. For the auto brakes, we'll select auto brakes 2 as checked into performance. The reverser use will be idle. Fuel over destination is 3.0 tons, minimum diversion is 2.8. In case we need to perform a go-around and there's no threat on the runway itself, we will commit to destination, since the weather is good.
Okay.
For the other threats, for the Plus, do you identify any other threats that would impact our operation?
For me, it's a new airport, so...
Definitely, okay. So we'll treat that as a threat. Italian ATC.
Yeah.
Sometimes the accent might be difficult, so we'll be aware of that. And just as a last threat, an interesting note on the 10-9 chart, caution, stray dogs may occur on the runway.
We'll be cautious.
Definitely. Any questions?
No question.
Sounds good. So briefing complete.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, your captain speaking. In a few minutes, we'll start our descent into the Olbia airport. We're estimating landing in the next 30 minutes. The weather in Olbia is very nice, clear skies, temperature plus 31 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much for flying with us. It was a pleasure to have you on board. We wish you a pleasant vacation. Alrighty, I'm back. I have control.
Okay, your control, you're descending level 230.
Checked. And descent checklist.
Pressurization.
Landing altitude 50.
Recall.
Checked.
Auto brake.
2.
Landing data.
VREF 135, minimums 610.
VREF 135, minimum 610. Approach briefing.
Completed.
Descent check is completed.
Thanks. Roger, descend 6,000 feet, QNH 1013, fly Okbat next Senal, lot 8557.
Correct, expect the RMP runway 05. That's copy, thank you sir, load 8557.
Alright, Sweden, your ATC, I hear him too. So we'll see how it goes. Orbit next channel, please.
140.
Execute.
140, Delta Bravo India.
The cabin is ready, right?
Yes, I found
perfect.
We are established with runway side.
FMC speed.
Check.
Speed intervent. Retard VNAV speed.
Check.
Speed 210. So.
Check.
Delta Bravo India, continue descent 6000 on QNH 1013.
Descending 6000 feet, 1013, Delta Bravo India.
Lost 8557, continue descent 5000, clear RMP 05, report established.
Continue descent 5000 feet, clear RMP 05, Wilco, locate 8557.
Altitude 5000 set. FMC
Check.
speed VNAV path.
Check.
CNO at 5000. Next altitude 3800.
Check.
Flaps 5.
Speed checked.
Speed 180 set.
Check.
Passing CNO, altitude 3800 set.
Check. Flaps 5.
Delta Bravo India, Roma.
Eccoci.
Ti guardi per il visual negativo, però può andare diretto al Senal, al Super 5000 autorizzato all'RNP 05.
Ok, va diretto al Semen, scende 5 minuti per
RNP
05.
Final approach course armed, glide path armed.
Check.
Final approach course captured. Glide path captured. Missed approach altitude set. Single channel.
4000 checked. Establishing final front of 8557.
Lost 8557, 11 to run, number 1 tower, 118, 975, ciao.
118-975, thank you, Charles, today 8557. Olbia Tower, buongiorno, lot 8557, establish on final 05.
Charlotte 8557, 10 miles, threshold runway 05, wind 060, 8 knots, clear to land.
05, clear to land, lot 8557.
Alright, heard clear to land. Gear down, flaps 15.
Speed checked. Flaps 15. Gear down.
Looks like the wind is turning towards a crosswind, and eventually will be a headwind. Flaps 15, speed set.
Check.
Flaps 30.
Speed checked.
Speed 140 set.
Check. Flaps 30.
Landing checklist.
Engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30. Green light.
Landing checklist completed.
Thanks. So autopilot disengage, auto throttle disengage. Flight director.
Check. 1000 stabilized.
Checked.
Approaching minimums.
Checked.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Continue.
500.
Stabilized.
Checked.
Three hundred. 200. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake disarm. 60 knots.
Three hundred. 200. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Three hundred. 200. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse is normal.
Okay, vacating left via Bravo.
Okay. Olbia ground, journal at 8557 vacating via Bravo.
Lot 8557, could you send 103 via Golf and Lima?
Stand 103 via Golf and Lima lot 8557.
Alright, via Golf, Lima to stand is 103.
Hey firm.
So, next, straight ahead.
Ground, buongiorno, Delta Foxini, Bravo India.
I have the marshaller in sight. Parking brake set.
AP on bus.
Shutdown checklist.
Shutdown checklist. Fuel pumps.
Are off.
Probe heat.
Auto.
Hydraulic panel.
Set.
Flaps.
Up.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine stabilizers.
Cut off.
Weather radar.
Off.
Off. Shutdown checklist complete.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.
So hello guys, welcome to sunny Olbia. It's beautiful weather here, 31 degrees. It is a short stop for us since we're already finished the turnaround. I completed the external inspection. The aircraft is airworthy for a return leg back home. Mirek was busy preparing the flight deck. He did the preliminary pre-flight procedure, CDU pre-flight procedure, followed by the pre-flight procedure. And we're just about to do the pre-flight checklist. So come and join us on the return leg back home to Warsaw. So Mirek, pre-flight checklist.
Pre-flight checklist. Oxygen.
Tested 100%.
Tested 100%. Navigation. Transfer display switches.
Normal auto.
Window heat.
On.
Pressurization mode selector.
Auto.
Flight instruments.
Heading 324, altimeter 1013.
Heading 324, altimeter is 1013. Parking brake.
Set.
Engine stabilizers.
Cut off.
Gear pins.
On board.
Pre-flight checklist completed.
Thanks. So, request ATC clearance.
Ground, buongiorno, lot 8558, could you advise expected SID for us?
Ciao, lot 8558, expect buttocks 6 kilo standard departure. When ready, I remind you to contact 131405 to be released.
Okay, buttocks 4 kilo, thank you, and when ready, 131405, lot 8550, thank you.
Okay, so what we got is the buttocks 6 kilo.
Yes.
No altitude for now, no transponder code for now. We'll get the clearance later.
Okay, so we are at stand 103, so taxi will be pretty short and straight.
Yep.
Papa, then Mike to get Foxtrot, and taxi to holding point 05, holding point Echo.
Yep, full length.
We've got hotspot at the end of the taxi. We should be careful not to cross the holding point Echo position.
Perfect.
And I don't think it's any threats.
Yep, no particular threats.
Runway 05 for takeoff.
Yep.
Runway is clear. Condition good. Engine failure procedure for this runway is try ahead. Climbing 1000. When we'll be in clean configuration, we climb above MSA.
Alrighty.
Which is 6,000.
Olbia ground, November 578, Charlie.
Sounds good. Gross weight.
Yes, we are considering gross weight. We are below the maximum landing. We can land immediately in any situation.
Perfect.
For departure, we've got Baxon 6 kilo SID from charge 10-3.
Same on mine. I got
Effective,
effective
yes,
27th
27th.
of February.
Exact same on my side. I will check the points and restriction.
Yeah, we checked that before the briefing.
Yeah, we've got the restriction. 7% climb gradient is required up to 5,000 feet.
Yep, so I suggest to Mirek, since we'll be doing an ADP2, we'll open speed window, set flaps up speed to 5,000 feet, and then close speed window from there.
Okay, we'll do that. Weather-wise, weather is good, no particular threats. Terrain for departure is not a threat.
Sure. We'll treat 6,200 feet, so perhaps maybe let's take both terrain displays on both NDs, since the weather is good.
To be ready for landing.
Sounds good.
Immediate landing on runway 05.
Perfect mitigation.
Operational, we've got standard auto throttle, VNAV, LNAV, and we are ready for the flight.
Yep, pretty much, yeah. For the plus, yep, only the known threats for company policy, birds activity, VFR traffic, and as it's written on the 10-9, caution for stray dogs, which may occur on the runway.
Yeah.
Other than that, sounds good. No questions.
Thank you. Olbia ground, buongiorno, 8558, stand 103, request push and start.
Lotte 558, buongiorno, start and pushback approved, runway 05, cleared buttocks 6 kilo departure, climb at 5,000 feet, squawk 1266.
Pressure approved, buttocks 6 kilo departure, runway 05, climbing 5,000 feet, squawk 1266, lot 8558.
Lotte 558, all correct, report ready for taxi.
Will go.
Alright, 5,000 feet I heard.
Yes.
Batok 6 kilo,
Confirm and squawk
1266. Awesome, verified. Same as for the briefing. Before start checklist.
Before start checklist, slide the door.
Closed and locked.
Fuel.
We have 8,900 kilograms pumps on.
Passenger signs.
On.
Windows.
Locked.
Locked. MCP.
V2142 heading 053 altitude 5,000.
Takeoff speeds.
V134. VR138, V2142.
CDU Preflight.
Completed.
Trim.
5.2 units, 0, 0.
Taxi and takeoff briefing.
Completed.
Hello again, Hotel Bravo Foxtrot, uniform, release.
Thanks. Ground flight deck.
Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am, the parking brake is released. You may push.
Kiva 7 kilo, initial climb
Runway
5.
05.
We start now the push.
Thank you very much.
And initial 5,000 feet, Hotel uniform.
And the engine are clear working.
Uniform correct, and now
Okay, ma'am.
squawk
We're,
43.
starting sequence 2, then 1. Alright, Munich, start engine number 2.
Set parking brake.
Parking brake is set. Engine stabilized. Ground flight deck.
Go ahead.
We have 2 good starts. You may disconnect, revert to hand signals on the right hand side. You have a good day, ma'am. Bye bye.
Be on the right hand side. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. So ground equipment is disconnected. Flaps 5. Flight controls. Rudder. There's the pin, you can wave her off. Perfect. System page off. And before taxi checklist.
Before taxi checklist. Generators.
On,
Probe heat.
on,
Anti-ice.
off,
Isolation valve.
auto,
Engine start switches.
continuous,
Recall.
checked,
Auto brake.
RTO,
Engine start triggers.
idle intent,
Ground equipment.
clear.
Before taxi checklist completed.
Thanks. Request taxi.
Ground slot 8558 ready for taxi.
Okay, lot 8558, taxi loading point runway 05 via Mike and Golf.
Holding point 05 via Mike and Golf slot 8558.
Okay.
Hotel uniform, request taxi.
Hotel uniform, taxi loading point runway 05 via Papa.
05 via Papa, Hotel uniform.
My ATC.
Your ATC. Cabin ready for takeoff.
Thank you. Your ATC, no
My
changes.
ATC.
Clear on the left.
Clear on the right.
Clear on the left again.
Clear on the right.
So, takeoff review.
Auto throttle on LF VNAV arm. Runway 05, climbing 5,000 feet. Flap. Required 5, selected 5, indicated 5.
Checked. Before takeoff checklist.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Flaps.
5 green light.
Before takeoff checklist completed.
Thanks.
Olbia Tower, hello, lot 8558.
Lot 8558, good day. Report Airbus 319, 2 miles on final inside.
Affirm, inside.
Lot 8558, Roger, behind landing traffic, landing with behind, runway 05.
Behind landing traffic, lining up runway 05, behind lot 8558.
Right, understood. Behind the landing traffic, which you have in sight, line up and wait, runway 05 behind. Clear on the left.
Clear on the right.
At 558, runway 05, clear for takeoff at 070 degrees, 11 knots.
05, clear for takeoff, lot 8558.
Right, you have control.
My controls.
ITC.
Ready.
Ready.
Taking off. N1 heading selector.
Thrust it. $80 knots.
Checked. Throttle hold.
V1.
Rotate. Positive right.
Gear up. LNAV.
Checked.
VNAV speed.
Checked.
Arm.
8558, radar contact 25905, bye.
12595, lot 8558, good day.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked.
Approach Buongiorno, lot 8558, passing 1600, climbing 5000, Batok 6 kilo.
Ciao, lot 8558, radar contact, continue climb flight level 140, fly direct to Tinto, no speed restrictions.
Climb level 140, proceed Tinto, no speed restrictions, thank you sir, lot 8558.
Set level 140.
Flight 140 set.
Tinto direct. Flaps up.
Direct Tinto confirm.
Execute.
Speed checked.
Open the window. Set flaps up speed.
Well, Bravo
Flaps up
Foxtrot,
speed.
uniform, contact Marseille control on 133.875. Goodbye.
133.875, hotel uniform, grazie,
Flaps
ciao.
up. No lights.
N1 heading selector.
Thrust it. $80 knots.
Checked. Throttle hold.
V1.
Rotate. Positive right.
Gear up. Elna.
Checked.
VNAV speed.
Checked.
Arm.
8558, radar contact 25905, bye.
After takeoff checklist.
Yes, sir. After takeoff checklist, engine bleeds on, packs, auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no lights. After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you.
And we have 5,000 feet.
Close return speed.
Speed intervention cancelled.
Flight level 100.
Fasten motor auto.